Previously on Penny Power. Best shoes ever! I wanted them for my best friend Oren's birthday party next Friday.
You wanted me to teach you? So here we go. Lesson 1. Money basics. Income, expenses, profit, what you own minus what you owe is equal to your net worth. What you need is penny power.
I like the sound of that.
So, to afford this, you need a whole lot more of these. About 350?
Which means I need 1 million coins?
Let's start with 350. See you tomorrow?
Penny Power, brought to you by Nedbank4Me. You can ask your parents to open your Nedbank4Me account.